We're going to go 12, 8, and 8. I'm going to go over here, very good friends. That way it all looks finished and it'll look great. We're going to do it with the gray stone, natural grout, tone on tone, dig our footings, pour the wall, and we'll be back here after the 10th. We might come in and dig our footings to get all that ready. When she comes back from vacation, we'll start setting the stones. Maybe we'll get the block set. We'll see what happens. Okay, first day of the job. We're just getting ready to spec out for footings going around the perimeter. And you can pretty much see we just got here, just setting everything up. We'll be pouring, then setting our stone and setting our, our blocks, and then setting our future rock stone face. Okay, again, just showing the other angle, the other side. Just getting started. Cool. Yeah, back on location, second day. Footings have cured. Just getting ready to set the first row of block and getting the mortar down and finishing up the last bit of digging. We're going to be taking out these bushes at the client's request.
No problems, right?
No, everything's going smooth. This is called DuraWall, which is a reinforcement that lays in between the layers of block that adds structural integrity, especially if you have a wall as high as this one's going to be. So, just want to show you how we're setting the mortar, and then we'll start setting our block.
You know what I mean? These usually lock in your rows.
Right.
But that's the old time.
Where the DuraWall acts a whole lot.
But that locks in the whole, the whole thing.
The whole row all the way across, yeah. And you really need that. I am back here in the afternoon. And we've got the first 4 courses set. And got the returns on both sides. Got the footing set back. Everything's moving kind of smoothly, which is always nice. Leave room there for the future rock to be set. We're setting the next tower going up between the 2 properties. And we've got that pretty well to level, to grade on our height. We'll get this the same way, and then we'll start laminating with the future rock. And just set the border. I'll lay our next course. And we're back another day. Just starting to set the future rock, gray stone, tone on tone. And a combination of the vertical flats. And we're using them also on the horizontal. And then more of the sculpted stones, sculpted stones in the center. And it's all in the matching and the lining it up. And Steve's setting over. And then once it's set, Steve will grout everything in. Okay, getting ready to close it in for today. We'll spend another hour or so, and we'll be back again tomorrow. All right, we're back the next day. We're just finishing up the last of the setting of the stone and the grout. So we'll know how to set it. The right mix, reinforcement, and adhesives mixed in with the concrete and the proper grout. And really knowing how to cut the stones and set them in the right place makes a whole difference. Yeah, back online. Job is totally completed as far as our end. We've removed the shrubbery. She's going to have her landscaper come in next. We have our weep holes down at the bottom. Stone's been set, all grouted. The other tower on the other side is complete. Very classy look. The lady loves it, and so do we. I know Steve takes a lot of pride in his work. Taking our buckets, leaving our bucket sign out for some advertisement. Finished off the top with flats and verticals. Same within the front. set all the other stones in the massive area. Client will backfill after it sets.